and today we'll be talking about surrogate bidding on behalf of a supplier in the sourcing event. The surrogate bidding feature on the sourcing event allows you to bid on behalf of the supplier in the event the supplier is unable to do so due to any circumstances. So the surrogate bidding feature is permission driven on each sourcing event, so you'll be able to define which users will be surrogate bidding in that specific event. All surrogate bids are tracked in the system for audit purposes, so if you go to the log section on the sourcing event, you'll be able to specify which suppliers were surrogate bidded on and by which user. The real value here is to ensure that all bids are tracked in the system, which will lead to proper side-by-side evaluation and grading in the event itself. Let's take a look at how this is done in the system. We'll start off by creating a new sourcing project. On the sourcing project creation form, we'll fill out the required fields. Your creation form might look a little bit different, that's fine. It just could be the way it's been configured. Once you've filled out all the required fields, let's go ahead and create the event. In the event wizard, let's go to the Teams tab. If your sourcing project has been configured with the surrogate bidding team by default, that's fine. If not, I'll show you how to set it up real quick. Let's create a new group. We'll give it a relevant name. So for this demo, we'll just name it surrogate bidder. Now we want to assign this group to the surrogate bidder role. So just search for surrogate bidder and make sure you save before exiting. Assign a user or a group of users to the surrogate bidder team. And these are the people who will be responsible for the surrogate bidding process on this event. On the event summary page, you can see that we've filled out all the necessary information. We've invited some suppliers, we've added the content, and you can also see that the team members have been assigned. So let's go ahead and publish this event. Once the event has been published, we have been informed that one of the suppliers, for example, is having some technical difficulties and can't access the event. They've asked us if we can bid on their behalf. As a surrogate bidder team member, I will select the supplier and start the surrogate bidding process. I'm taken directly into the supplier's account on the Ariba network to submit my bid. So I'll go ahead and enter all the details, and when I try to submit my response, you'll see a pop-up window requesting a justification as to why I'm surrogate bidding on behalf of this supplier. So once we're done, let's submit the bid and head back over to the Ariba sourcing event. You will notice that status is now participated for that supplier. That just means that the supplier has submitted their bid. If we go to the content tab, we can do a side-by-side comparison of the bids. And if you go to the logs tab, you'll see that the system has recorded that one of my team members has bid on behalf of that supplier using the surrogate bid functionality. So you'll see that the main benefit here is that even though the supplier was unable to log in and submit a bid, we've managed to record their bid in the system and keep a proper audit trail as to what happened. Thank you everyone for watching.